Welcome back to channel. Today we're going to reveal a secret that could completely change your life, especially if you're in your 60s or beyond. Have you ever felt that sudden dip in energy in the afternoon? Your legs feeling heavy, your knees starting to talk every time you move? Or perhaps those intimate moments aren't as fulfilling as they used to be? Don't be so quick to blame it on age. The real culprit may be hiding right in your daily breakfast. Sounds hard to believe, right? But the truth is, there's a common breakfast habit that most men over 60 fall into, and it's quietly eroding your circulation, draining your natural energy, and suppressing your masculine vitality. I'm not just saying this. In my role as a men's health specialist for over 20 years, I've witnessed thousands of men completely transform their lives with just one small change to the first meal of their day. Just imagine waking up with a body full of energy, joints as flexible as they were in your youth, and those intimate moments still as passionate as ever. It's completely possible. So what is this hidden culprit in your breakfast? And what is the simple, effective solution that's far better than any expensive pills you've ever considered? We're going to discover a super-powered breakfast food, a natural remedy that helps boost blood circulation from head to toe, maintains sustained energy all day long, and helps upgrade your masculine performance to a whole new level. Be patient and watch until the end of this video, because I won't just reveal who this secret hero is, but I'll also explain in detail why it works so miraculously for men over 60. More importantly, I'll show you the simplest way to start including it in your diet tomorrow. But before we dive in, if you're interested in taking control of your health, especially after 60, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any valuable information from our channel. And if what I've just shared resonates with you, leave a yes in the comments section. I read every single response and would love to know about your health journey. Now let's pull back the curtain on this secret. You see, the signs of health decline after 60 are not uncommon. You may have experienced it yourself, or are watching loved ones deal with it. A sudden drop in energy, persistent aches in your legs and joints, and that feeling of disappointment in private moments. All of these can chip away at a man's confidence and quality of life. And the sad thing is, many of us turn to temporary solutions or even accept it as an inevitable part of aging. But I want you to know that you absolutely have the power to change that. Your body is designed to be resilient, to maintain a healthy circulatory system, and an abundant source of energy. But sometimes our daily habits, especially breakfast, are quietly obstructing this process. Look at these familiar choices. Refined white bread, sweet jam, colorful cereal boxes. They may give you a temporary feeling of fullness, but in reality they're starving your body of important nutrients, especially those essential for a healthy circulatory system. These foods are often poor in protein and essential micronutrients, while being loaded with sugar and unhealthy additives. They can cause sudden blood sugar spikes and crashes, leading to roller coaster energy levels, and over the long term, they can be harmful to your vascular system. And this is where our hero appears. Are you ready to discover the secret of this golden food? A food that seems so ordinary, yet holds an extraordinary power, especially for the health of men over 60. We've just talked about the toxic breakfast habits that are quietly destroying your body. Now it's time to discover a real hero, a food that seems like it's only for juices or salads, but holds extraordinary power. If you're thinking of expensive imported foods, you'd be wrong. Our hero is a very familiar root vegetable, easily found at any market or supermarket. It's beetroot. Sounds simple, even a little funny, right? But trust me, cooked beetroot is the savior for your vascular health, especially once you've entered your 60s. So why is beetroot so special? The secret lies in a miraculous compound inside it called dietary nitrates. When you eat beetroot, these nitrates are converted by bacteria in your mouth into nitrites. Then, in your body, nitrites are further converted into an incredibly important molecule called nitric oxide, N.O. And this is the key. Nitric oxide acts as a natural vasodilator. Imagine your blood vessels as highways. As you get older, these highways can get congested or narrow. Nitric oxide helps to dilate or widen these highways, allowing blood to flow more easily and smoothly throughout your entire body. When your circulation improves, what happens? Energy soars. Blood carries oxygen and nutrients to your muscles and organs more efficiently, helping you feel energized and less sluggish. Performance improves. Increased oxygen to your muscles helps you perform physical activities better and for longer. An intimate health thrives. Increased blood flow to the pelvic region supports sexual health, helping you regain your confidence and masculine performance. You've probably heard of cold hands and feet, muscle cramps, or a lack of fire in the bedroom after 60, right? All these issues can stem from poor circulation, and beetroot is the natural remedy to solve them. The amazing thing is, the nitrates in beetroot are natural and healthy, completely different from the processed nitrate additives found in some meats. I don't want you to just take my word for it. Let me tell you a true story. Jose, a 67-year-old gentleman living in Seville, was initially skeptical when I suggested he add beetroot to his breakfast. A month later, a miracle happened. After just 2 weeks, his nocturnal leg cramps had completely disappeared. And after a month, Jose felt a dramatic transformation. He told me, "I feel like I've turned back the clock to 45. His physical strength returned, his energy was overflowing, and he felt more confident than ever." All it took was one small change. 80 grams of cooked beetroot every day. And you can do it very simply. Roast or steam 80 grams of beetroot, then dice it and add it to your omelet or any breakfast you love. You'll get all the benefits without sacrificing flavor. However, a small note. If you have a history of kidney stones, avoid raw beetroot juice as it contains more oxalates. Cooked beetroot is much safer in this regard, so you don't need to worry. But that's not all. Beetroot is just the #1 hero. Now we're going to discover 3 other companions, foods that also bring amazing benefits for your circulation and energy. The next food, I call it the secret weapon for muscle strength and a healthy circulatory system for men after 60. Can you guess what it is? It's plain Greek yogurt. Did you know that many traditional breakfasts lack a critically important ingredient, which is protein? Protein is the building material for repairing and maintaining muscle tissue. As we age, maintaining muscle mass becomes more important than ever. Plain Greek yogurt is your personal protein bank. Just one 200-gram serving can provide up to 20 grams of high-quality protein, helping your muscles stay nourished and strong. But that's not all. Greek yogurt is also a rich source of essential electrolytes like calcium, potassium, and magnesium, which play a vital role in supporting nerve function and muscle contraction. Specifically, during fermentation, Greek yogurt releases bioactive peptides that can inhibit an enzyme that constricts blood vessels. This indirectly helps your body produce more nitric oxide, just like beetroot. In short, Greek yogurt helps keep your blood vessels open and flowing, thereby reducing muscle cramps and boosting energy. Take the story of Mariano, a 64-year-old gentleman. After 6 weeks of switching his sugary cereal to Greek yogurt with berries, he noticed a significant increase in his strength during walks and no longer suffered from painful leg cramps. A simple change, but with incredible results. So, how can you make the most of Greek yogurt? You can combine a 200-gram serving of plain Greek yogurt with a drizzle of honey and a few nuts for a delicious, nutrient-dense breakfast that will keep you full and energized for hours. So, we have beetroot and Greek yogurt. But this powerful trio isn't complete yet. The next food is a small jewel that has an extremely effective power to fight inflammation and boost circulation. It's blueberries. When you hear blueberries, you might just think of a tasty snack, but I want you to see them from a different perspective. They are silent superheroes, especially for men after 60. The secret lies in anthocyanins, the compounds that give blueberries their beautiful blue-purple color. These compounds have the ability to increase the production of nitric oxide in your body. Scientific studies have shown that just a few hours after consuming blueberries, nitric oxide levels in the body can increase by more than 20%. What does this mean? It means better circulation for your muscles, heart, and your entire body. One tip I often recommend to my patients is to eat a cup of fresh or frozen blueberries about 2 to 3 hours before exercising. This helps your body get prepped and ensures your blood vessels deliver oxygen and nutrients to your muscles most efficiently. Remember the story of Raphael, a 65-year-old man. He laughed when I first suggested he eat blueberries, but just 3 weeks later, his cramps had significantly decreased, and he felt more energized than ever. He said, "I feel like there's a zing in my step that I haven't felt in years." My advice to you: Try blending a handful of blueberries into your Greek yogurt. This combination will create a perfect breakfast, rich in protein, electrolytes, and anti-inflammatory compounds, helping your body get fueled in a comprehensive way. However, because blueberries are high in fiber, if you have a sensitive stomach, start with half a cup and gradually increase to give your body time to adjust. Are you ready to discover the final friend on this list? A nut that seems ordinary, but holds the power to wake up your circulatory system every morning. We have beetroot, Greek yogurt, and blueberries. Now let's welcome the final piece, the silent hero that completes your power breakfast. Walnuts. This nut is often overlooked, but I want you to think of it as a natural nitrate substitute, providing even better circulatory benefits than many expensive supplements. Imagine after a long night's rest, your blood vessels can be a bit sluggish and less responsive than usual. This causes blood circulation to slow down, especially in the morning, when you need a powerful boost to start your day. And walnuts are the switch that helps you wake up your circulatory system. The secret lies in arginine, an essential amino acid found in walnuts. Arginine plays a crucial role in the synthesis of nitric oxide, NO. When you eat walnuts, they provide your body with the raw material needed to produce NO, which helps dilate blood vessels, thereby improving blood flow to your muscles and organs. What does this increased blood flow mean for you? Reduce muscle stiffness. Better blood circulation helps your muscles become more flexible and supple. Increase strength. Oxygen and nutrients are transported more efficiently, helping your muscles work harder. Improved sexual health. Similar to beetroot, improved blood flow to the pelvic region will support masculine performance naturally and sustainably. A small serving, about 30 grams of walnuts every day, is enough to bring these amazing benefits without adding too many calories. To enjoy walnuts in the most delicious way, you can lightly toast them to enhance their natural flavor, then sprinkle them on your Greek yogurt, mix them into a smoothie, or combine them with fresh berries. However, if you're allergic to nuts, this is not for you. And if you suffer from irritable bowel syndrome, start with a smaller portion as walnuts are high in fiber. You see, the story of health after 60 isn't just about pills or surgery. It's about your daily choices, about the small decisions you make every morning. Every walnut, every piece of beetroot, every spoonful of Greek yogurt, every blueberry. All of them are small gifts from nature, holding the power to support your circulation, keep your muscles strong, and give you a feeling of renewed vitality. Many people give up on their bodies before their bodies actually give up on them. But the truth is, change is still possible, even if you're in your 80s. Turn your breakfast into your personal power move. Let your food build your resilience and intense vitality. The next chapter of your life starts right on your plate. So what will you do? Don't wait until tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, commit to adding one of the 4 foods we've talked about into your breakfast. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it needs to start. Just imagine a little more energy in your legs, a noticeable warmth in your groin area, stronger steps, and a return of confidence in those private moments. Can all become a reality. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and share it with a man who needs it. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable videos on health after 60. And finally, let me know in the comments. Are you ready to change your breakfast? Thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.